we're awaiting the president's signing of that executive order, filling in some blanks here in terms of what we can expect when we get that, and some things related to, of course, what will be the creation of TikTok USA, essentially. You take a look at shares of Oracle right now as well. First of all, as for the declaration or the EO, that we're going to get from the president, it is essentially going to say that as currently contemplated and as we've been reporting, the divestiture will meet the requirements under the statute of the law that was passed by Congress to be considered a qualified divestiture of TikTok such that it no longer poses any sort of national security threat to the United States. So that is largely what we're expecting to see in the executive order the president will sign roughly 2 hours from now. A couple of other things, though, that we're learning about the ownership group. And again, I've been reporting on this previously, but can add one more key investor, and that is the Abu Dhabi-based investment fund of MGX. Which I am told by people familiar with the situation will join with Oracle and Silver Lake in what is going to essentially be the largest single ownership group of the new TikTok USA. They together, those three, will control roughly 45% of the ownership of TikTok USA. As we have previously reported, 19.9% will be owned by ByteDance, the company's current owner. And then the remaining roughly 35% will be a large group of investors made up of virtually, I'm told, all of the existing ByteDance owners. Remember, that's an enormous private Chinese company that conceivably will do as much as $50 billion in net income this year. And so investors there include the likes of General Atlantic and Susquehanna, Sequoia, Coatue, many, if not all of them, expected to to actually also be contributing to equity in the new TikTok USA, and then a group of other smaller investors as well, smaller in terms of dollar size, unknown at this point. I know the president has mentioned Michael Dell or Rupert Murdoch. Unclear whether they will have any real ownership stake here at all. But what we can tell you is, and a new name, at least as far as I can remember, Melissa, is MGX's name now at the forefront of that group that will control 45% of TikTok.